and you need to test this 3 times before. Okay, so we got the sensors in. Okay, so these trains come with temporary trains, and this is going to be the actual train that'll pop in there. And there, I got 2 of them once I grab the floor. Okay, so I'm getting ready to install the wire on the floor. This is a Ditra Heat heating system, floor heat system, but pretty much they're all more or less the same. So in this system, you have 3 components. So you got the thermostat, the wire, and the mat. So this comes with the instructions and the warranty card, and you need to test this 3 times while you install it. So first time you test it is when you take it out of the box. Second time you test it is when you put it in the mat. And third time you test it is after you've installed the tile. So this is the 240 volts, and I'm going to put this in the 2-3 configuration. So I'm not going to go over all the details on how to install this mat. I'll link to a video that has very explicit instructions on how to test it and how to install it. So I'll link to that video. So I'm just, showing you what I'm doing today. So I'm gonna test this, install it on the floor, and then install the tile. Okay, so got the wire down, 2-3 configuration, all the way. Toilet comes to about 2 pucks after the wire. There's no heat going in there, so this was actually the perfect size. I mean, couldn't have even gotten any closer. So now I'm going to put the 2 sensors in and then test again. Okay, so we got the sensors in. Snaked it all the way over here. There's no snake to bring out the wall. We'll do that later. And this is, like I said, it's a 3-2 configuration. I tested it twice. Now I'll start installing the tile. And once the tile is done, I'll test it the 3rd time. Okay, so now I got the floor heat down. It's time to install the tile. Now on this floor, I've got a big 8-inch by 48-inch plank tile right here. 8 by 48. Now to help with the layout, this is actually a pretty simple layout. To help with the layout, you can use a story pole. So these lines spaced at the distance of tiles, including the grout line. So you can just use this, just move it along. Then put a mark where a full tile would be, and then you can flip it around, put your tile on a mark, and then you can see what piece you're going to get at the door or over there. Anyway, this is just going to help for your layout. Plus, this way here, it is also the length of a tile, which will help you figure out the distance from one wall to the other without having to pick up or measuring a tile. Okay, so here's a piece of information for heated floors, electric floor heat. When you're installing the electric floor heat, you're installing the tile on your electric floor heat, you don't want to use lightweight mortars. That would include like X77, Tri-Light, Ultralight from Mapei, or Pro Light. Any of those mortars which are called lightweight mortars. You don't want to use those because heated floors, they like mass, and you'll lose efficiency if you use a lightweight mortar. You want to use a regular sanded mortar, like on this one here. So for the walls, I used Ultralight by Mapei, and for the floor I'm using All Set. You don't want to use the lightweight mortar on a heated floor. You always want to use the regular 50-pound bag mortars. Okay, so I got some floor tile down, but I'm really cramped in here with all the stuff that's in here, so I'm just gonna stop. I'm gonna clean up, get rid of some of the junk, move stuff around so I have some room to work. So let me show you what's going on. From here to here, this is all done over here. These 3 rows, and then this last 4th row. These other ones are just placeholders to hold the clips in place. And I'm working myself into a corner here, so I gotta get rid of some of these bags here. I moved some stuff over into the shower. I got my workstations here, but I gotta move that door. I gotta move that toilet. There's another door behind there. I gotta get rid of some of this junk so that I can keep going and put some more Ditra down. It's just nowhere else to put it. I can't put it in the bedroom, so this is what I'm taking care of. So I'm gonna get rid of some of this stuff, and then tomorrow we'll continue with the tile.